Sure, let me show you some of the books I have here at home. I have more in the office, a lot more, but let me see what I can find here. First, I love classic books, so I have a bunch of them. Euclid, Archimedes, Diophantus, Euler, and Gauss, among others. Second, I have books that are related to classes that I usually teach, and these are books that I use as references or main references for my classes. This one is my favorite class to teach, and I have 2 copies of that book, first and second edition, and of course I have copies of my own books. This is the one that I use when I teach number theory nowadays, and this is a book that my students get a copy for free. Speaking of free books, Math Letters sent me a copy of his book, and it's awesome, so check it out. I have a bunch of books that are just introductions to my research area that I use as references sometimes, and well, a lot of algebraic number theory, and then other related topics, quadratic forms, local fields, and of course the one and only and terrible Hartshorne. And then of course I have a bunch more books that are just specialized and either collections of articles or monographs about some very specific topics, like this book by Hida, or some more advanced topics that are related to my research area. For example, modular units. I spent an enormous amount of time reading this book during my PhD. So we have a love-hate relationship, this book and I. But in any case, oh, by the way, Lang was my grandpa. He was my advisor's advisor. And on a lighter note, I have other books that are more like on the literature side, just interesting reading that is mathematically related.